In a small African village, a young girl named Zuri lived peacefully with her family. At the center of the village stood a majestic baobab tree, holding the stories and legends of the village.
Grandfather, why does everyone respect this great tree so much?
Ah, Zuri, this baobab is special. They say it's the tree of wisdom and life. An ancient prophecy tells that one day, when all its leaves fall in one night, someone will have to embark on a quest to save our village.
That night, Zuri had a strange dream. She saw the tree lose all its leaves under the light of a red moon. In the morning, Zuri wakes up and rushes outside. She discovers with horror that the baobab is bare.
Grandfather, the prophecy! It's come true. I must do something.
Zuri, I knew this day would come. You are ready. It is up to you to go on a quest to restore the balance of nature. But remember, you are never alone. This talisman will protect you. Go, Zuri, and be brave.
And so begins Zuri's adventure, a quest full of mysteries and challenges to save her village and the sacred tree. What adventures await her? Come back soon to find out.